Diaspor, që e ke prunë këtë aeroplan këtu?
Ta shëllim aeroplana.
Baterije një ti andrua?
Çfarë baterije vetë?
Pas ka orë të ngritë dhe me thonë s'ka punë baterije kje.
E kam defekte po në ndrusën e shpecive. Për rjedhë ule poshtë edhe nuk pindro shpecit që duhet. Shka do mi bon, qërë.
All eyes on me. All eyes on me. You know what? I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know. Straight to the depths of hell is where the cops go. Well, all your shield down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils suffer the day they finally see me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, little like a boss player. See when I'm hot, fuck with me and get close later. The features in my eyes. So I want to cash the things. I 5 double low, dance, want to flash the brand. Bitches see me like a dream. And I'm the piece of beauty. Boy, your ass like a dope bean. It seems my main thing was to be major. Pain the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches. Bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first day 15. They might hold you for a second, but you won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug like. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a ball player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player.
E qëta shta do mi bo?
Ta shkë në video në dytë se ka me qelë këto. Me gjithë defektin edhe me montu, po për qëllë në video në vazhdim par dyshin, ju ka dhe që ka mi bo.